Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Boris Optics Rifle Scope. The Boris Cantilever Rifle Scope mount is the gold standard for value when it comes to AR-15 scope mounts. This mount is very flexible, and is available with either a 2 or 3 inch offset to give you more options to get the proper eye relief. This mount holds the center of the scope at a height of 1.59 from the base, so it is fairly high profile, and it's a good height for most optics you'd want on an AR-15. The rings and base are machined out of aluminum and the whole thing weighs a scant 6.7 ounces. It can mount on any Weaver rails or Picatinny rail system, which is also great for the AR platform. It's also just a really great option for any Boris optics, so if you're already running a Boris or something along those lines, this is a great option. Just about any of the best AR scopes with a 1 inch or 30mm scope tube out there will work well with this mount though. Number 2 in this best AR scope mount list is Aero Precision Ultralight Scope Mount. The Aero Precision Ultralight mount is a great addition to any AR-15 rifle you want to add a scope to. These mounts are extremely lightweight at just 4 ounces, making this one of the lightest mounts in the industry. It uses a cross-slot keyway to keep the scope secure even under heavy recoil, making this a good AR-10 option as well. Aero Precision's roots are deeply tied to aerospace, and our drive for clean, perfect engineering and machining stems from that. When you're building something that will fly in the air, there is no margin for error. This takes that same approach in the firearms industry. Featuring a rigid, lightweight design, Aero Precision Ultralight 30mm scope mount complements many high-end optic platforms. This scope mount is designed to fit upper receivers with mil-spec Picatinny rails and features a cross-slot keyway that offers excellent recoil protection. Aero Precision Ultralight scope mounts free you from unnecessary bulk, providing one of the lightest mounts in the industry. Our third choice is American Defense Rifle Scope Optic Mount. The AD Recon mount is made for putting high-power glass onto a flat-top style gun. The cantilever throws the scope out front, allowing you to get the right eye relief. It is precision machined from 6061 T6 aluminum and finished in hard coat T3 mil-spec anodize. It features the patented QD auto lock lever system to accommodate both in-spec and out-of-spec rail systems. The dual screw tighten from the side to provide excellent grip to maintain your zero. They're crafted from 6061 T6 aluminum that is then Type 3 hard-coated black or FDE depending on your preferences. The possible choices and positions are many, leaving the door wide open for any and all individual options to accommodate the eye relief you need and the amount of glass you want hanging over the receiver. Fourth pick in this best AR scope mount list is Monstrum Offset Dual Ring Scope Mount. This is a quick detach mount system, meaning just undo 2 bolts and slide up and you're off the receiver completely. This takes about 15 seconds or less if you have the necessary tools at hand. The rifle scope adjustment options give you up to 2 of offset along with a cantilever angle that makes for a very usable mount. It mounts easily to any flat-top receiver with 1913 rails, and can fit scopes with 30mm tubes, or you can use the included shim to accommodate a scope with a 1 tube as well. Crafted from 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum. At a weight comparable to a set of lightweight rings, it provides the added rigidity and convenience of a one-piece mount. The mount is built for standard 1-inch tube scopes for mounting to any standard Picatinny rail-equipped rifle. The mount is 5.75 inches in total length. The base is 3 inches long with the mounting bolts spaced 2 inches apart. A minimum of 3 inches of rail space is required to install. Our fifth and last choice is Vortex Optics Cantilever Rifle Scope Mounts. Vortex cantilever ring mounts provide the correct height and forward placement for proper scope mounting. The 1" by 2 PC Med Pro La Grade Picatinny QD rings. This set is a 4-screw unit that is machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, uses Weaver-style mounts with quick detach levers as lockdown systems, and is priced at a novice shooter's level. This is an early designer of the cantilever-style scope mounting system. These are great systems for a rail-mounted rifle scope. These fit the receivers of both ARs as well as all chassis rifles. Built of aircraft-grade aluminum and using torque-style bolts, the bases are solid as a rock. This quality mount will not fail, as some lighter materials have been known to do over time.